If your pergola canopy fabric is tearing or fading, knowing how to pick the right replacement and care for it can save you a ton of hassle and cash down the road. So first off, when you're swapping out that old canopy fabric, go for UV-resistant and waterproof materials because they hold up way better against sun and rain, you know? Always measure your pergola carefully before buying new fabric so you don't end up with something too small or way too big. It's super annoying to deal with later. If you want to keep your canopy looking fresh, clean it gently with mild soap and water instead of harsh chemicals that can wear down the fabric faster. Don't just leave your canopy out in the bad weather either. If a storm's rolling in, take it down or use a cover to protect it. When installing, make sure the fabric is pulled tight but not stretched too much, so it doesn't rip or sag over time. Using fabrics like solution-dyed acrylic or polyester can really help because they resist fading and tearing better than cheaper options. Also, check for any sharp edges or rough spots on your pergola frame that could snag the fabric and cause tears. Finally, consider getting a canopy with a warranty so if it starts messing up early, you're not stuck paying out of pocket. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola canopy fabric is choosing cheap or non-UV resistant material that fades super fast and tears easily. Fix that by investing in high-quality, UV-resistant fabric up front. Another common issue is not securing the fabric properly during installation, which leads to sagging or ripping when wind hits. The fix is making sure the fabric is tight, but not overstretched, and checking all attachments regularly. A third problem folks run into is ignoring proper maintenance, like leaving dirt and mildew buildup or exposing the fabric all the time to harsh weather. Just cleaning your canopy gently and taking it down during storms will extend its life a lot. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle pergola repairs and replacements without the headache. Plus, contractors get connected with real customers looking for their services, which means more work and less time hunting for gigs.